Alright, beautiful people, welcome back to another episode of Dualsport and Chill. In our second episode of Back to the Flatlander, we are traveling from Ossipee area through Sandwich Notch into around the Canaan, New Hampshire area. This is a beautiful area to ride through with a lot of good scenery. It's pretty easy, pretty tame stuff, a lot of gravel paths and stuff like that, but there's still plenty of things to keep you on your toes and keep you excited, especially the Sandwich Notch Road. To keep things rounded out and equal, we had our first luggage malfunction.
Do you want to just leave it there, or do you want me to take it?
You can leave it there for now.
The Faux 50 did Faux 50 stuff, and we got rained on this one. And we took a wrong turn, I believe, twice. But, you know, that's all part of the adventure on the Flatlander.
Amen, brother.
feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks.
This is the historic Sandwich Notch Road. It's probably one of the better parts of the northern section, and it's something you should not pass up if you're doing the Flatlander AR or DR. It's very narrow, so be very careful. There are a lot of motorists on it, especially in the summertime. Every time we've been through, we've gotten really lucky and not had a lot of traffic. It's a very fun, very scenic road that I highly recommend you don't pass up.
And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of our day 2 on the Back to the Flatlander project. We had a great time on Sandwich Notch. After this, it's pretty easy, just dirt, gravel road type stuff all the way until we got into Canaan, where we fueled up the bikes, got some barbecue, got some stuff for camp, and got rained on, which is a requirement for any trip that we do, is that we get rained on, and we were happy to meet that requirement. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are looking to do the Flatlander, I have a couple more videos coming out here soon, so I hope you drop in to catch those. Please like, share, subscribe, all that nonsense, and I will catch you later. Thanks for watching.